Veekee James, how many times do I call you? The earlier you will realize that the internet children are coven. They don't want the best for you. The better you start hiding your husband. You just dey show off the man, they make people just dey ridicule this innocent man. Come be like say the man they jobless. Veekee James, listen to the voice of people where they want you. Stop showcasing your husband. If you continue like this, you no go reach 2 years when I go separate. Ha! See as chioma go just they talk this thing as if she dey sure say they go separate because of too much posting. Abeg, make una rest. Make una leave this couple. But before I continue, make una hear wetin chioma go tell Veekee James and her husband.
Marriage no be showroom.
Let's go.
Marriage is not a showroom. No be furniture showroom. All these things you are putting out about your marriage is not necessary. Let me tell you, if anything happen to your marriage, then you cause them. Because no be everything you go dey carry put for social media. I cook this food. I cook that food. I do this. I do that. No. See how people they ridicule your husband because of what you they put. God said I should tell you that if you keep them posting everything about your marriage on social media, God said I should tell you, it no go reach 2 years. If it reach 2 years, make her come up from Nollywood. Make her come up from Nollywood. I hear what God tell me. Marriage no be showroom, no be furniture showroom, no be everything you go dey put for social media. We are not ready in this country. We are not ready. See as people they ridicule your husband. See as they read God. I bet who know our husband family, who know their family. This is too much.
Summer food but cannot eat.
Is it Christian song?
Yes now.
Okay.
Yes now.
Okay.
Nursery rhymes. Yes now.
It's okay, take. For the Lord is good, and His mercies endure forever.
Just use scope.
Yeah,
Just
sit down. Which kind of genre be this?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Jesus, you love me too much.
It's okay, get up.
It's time.
Come and see that the Lord has done.
Wait, say kaka.
No, I said come and see.
She said kaka.
Now this one you want. Just you rob me. I pity you. Sit down. Which kind of
nice now? Okay, you guys doing well.
You don't finish. Oh yeah.
It's a kaka. Olugbeja. Olugbeni nija. Give me all that Jerry. This you don't teach me.
Can you see that?
What song is that? We'll stop.
Stop waiting.
Kábíyèsí rẹ Olúwa.
Yes, now.
No, that was testing now. That was when we were testing.
Baby.
My country people, at this point, I can say that people hating on this couple, they are not loved at home. They never experience love. You get as you go love person, to they show the person off, go they be on your mind every day. Seriously, these two people are in love, and I don't know, and I don't think that they will ever separate, no matter what. Even if they will, God forbid, it will not be based on this posting stuff. Make una rest, make una leave Veekee James and her husband, make they display the love as they choose to. Leave them, make they do whatever they choose. Hello. If you like, hide your own. If you go car